Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're exploring the xTool S1 laser cutter and engraver.
Let's see if this innovative machine lives up to the hype.
First off, let's talk design. The xTool S1 boasts a sleek, fully enclosed structure that not only enhances safety, but also makes it suitable for various environments, from educational settings to small businesses. Its intuitive design makes it easy to set up and use, with features like interchangeable tool heads and a large engraving area. Now, let's dive into its features.
With its high-powered diode laser and optional tool heads, the xTool S1 offers versatility and precision. Whether you're working with metals, acrylic, or plastics, this machine can handle it all.
Plus, its pinpoint positioning system ensures flawless results on objects of different shapes, making batch processing a breeze. Speaking of ease of use, the xTool Creative Space software provides a seamless experience, with plenty of control options for fine-tuning your projects. And if you need more advanced features, the S1 is compatible with Lightburn, giving you even more flexibility. In terms of performance, the xTool S1 doesn't disappoint. Its high detail engraving and crisp cutting quality make it ideal for model makers, crafters, and small-scale businesses. Plus, with its spacious work area and optional accessories like the rotary attachment, the possibilities are endless. The question is, so, what's the verdict? The xTool S1 laser cutter and engraver is a solid investment for anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance machine. Its blend of power, precision, and versatility make it stand out in a competitive field.
Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the xTool S1 has something to offer.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more product critiques.